Yep. That's a Jack's class. Oh.
You know him?
Here comes Susie Snowflake, dressed in a snow white gown. Tap, tap, tapping on her window pane to tell you she's in town. Here comes Susie Snowflake, soon you'll hear her say, come out everyone and play with me, I haven't long to stay. If you wanna make a snowman, I'll help you make one, 1, 2, 3. If you wanna take a sleigh ride, the ride tell you she's in town. Here comes Susie Snowflake, soon you'll hear her say, come out everyone and play with me, I haven't long to stay. If you wanna make a snowman, I'll help you make one, 1, 2, 3. If you wanna take a sleigh ride, the ride's on me. Here comes Susie Snowflake, look at her tumbling down. Bringing joy to every girl and boy, Susie's come to town.
Yeah. Can't open the door. There goes Jackie. Hi, Bryn.